Welcome to Zoho People. It is an online human resource software that helps companies manage their employees more easily. In simple words, Zoho People is like a digital assistant for HR teams. It helps with storing employee information, tracking attendance and leaves, managing performance reviews, handling shift schedules, making HR tasks faster and paper free. It works online, so HR staff and employees can access it from anywhere. It's a part of the Zoho suite, which offers many business tools. Now let us have a look at the features available in the Zoho People. The first one we have is Home. This is a dashboard you see when you log in. It shows quick information like updates, tasks, birthdays, announcements, and shortcuts to important tools. Then you have a Leave Tracker. It helps employees apply for leave and see their leave balance. Managers can approve or reject leave requests easily from here. Then you have a time tracker. It keeps track of the time spent on task or project. It is also useful for checking how long work takes and improving productivity. Then you have attendance. It records when employees check in and check out, basically arrival and departure time. It helps track working hours and late entries. Then you have performance. Used to review employee performance. Managers can give feedbacks, set goals, and do performance appraisals. Then you have files, and you have more services where you have travel, compensation, task, LMS, employee engagement. In the report section, you can create ready-made or custom reports about attendance, leaves, and performance. It helps HR and managers make decisions based on the data. And you have a quick actions icon over here where you can search for leave or anything else. Now let us look into the pricing plans available in the Zoho People. The first one we have is an essential HR plan. It provides employee onboarding, employee database, document management, leave tracking, basic HR reports, and Zia Assistant. It is ideal for small businesses or startups that need basic HR functions and want to manage employee data and leaves online. Next up, we have a professional plan. It includes everything in Essential HR, plus you get attendance tracking, timesheets for training, and time spent on task. Then you have shift and roster management. It is ideal for growing companies that want to monitor work hours, manage shifts, and track employee attendance in real time. The next plan and the most popular one is Premium Plan. It includes everything in Professional, plus you get performance reviews and goal tracking, salary and compensation management, employee engagement tools, and advanced HR analytics and reports. It is ideal for medium to large companies that want to focus on employee development, engagement, and data-driven HR decisions. Next up, you have an enterprise plan. It includes everything in Premium, plus HR help desk for employee queries, learning management system for training, sandbox for safe testing of changes. It is ideal for large organizations with complex HR needs, training programs, and a need for advanced customization and support. Next up, you have a Zoho People Plus plan. It offers HR software bundle that brings together everything a company needs to hire, manage, pay, and support employees. It combines several Zoho tools such as Zoho Recruit to hire the right people, Zoho People to manage employee records, leaves, and attendance, Zoho Payroll to process salaries, Zoho Expense to track employee expenses, Zoho Connect to collaborate and share updates, Zoho Click for team chats and communication, Zoho Vault to store and manage passwords securely. It is best for medium to large companies that want to streamline all HR and team operations in one place. For any Zoho requirements, contact us at www.fgrade.com/zoho.